Hey, you guys, I just wanted to, this is what I want to show you. This is what happens when I open cards off camera. I just got back from the Dollar Tree. There's the packs in the trash. I got,
dirty trash.
and then of course there's the scales, and then there's the ones that I got. But look, I'm gonna pass this over. Literally, I got a bunch of Breakthrough, and then some Ultra Prism. I got the Houndoom. Got the Mewtwo, Mega Mewtwo. I got the Secret Rare Mewtwo EX. Got the Cynthia.
Is it a full art or Palkia?
Then Hollow Prism cards, and then Hollow, Reverse Hollow Rare, and then Hollow.
I love that game card.
So, yeah, like, that's what I got. I probably picked those like 30-something packs, mostly Breakthrough. I got, what, maybe like 6 or 7 Ultra Prism packs. Yeah, and like they were all just loaded, and that Cynthia is amazing. So I just thought I'd let you guys know what I got. As soon as I was like, damn, I should have recorded it. Like every time I don't, I pull heat like this. I'm telling you, the Breakthrough was a good video, or the Breakpoint was a good one. So, but all right, you guys. Well, oh yeah, and anything 7.8, 7.9. Some of you morally think that people are pieces of shit to weigh cards, but you know, it just, to me, it evens the odds. You create your own odds on it. So, you know, I think it's shitty for Pokemon to put white codes in packs and there be nothing in it. So, and pay $5 a damn pack after taxes. So it's kind of just all in your own preference. I mean, I get it, but if you do weigh them, most packs usually anywhere 7.8 and up is gonna have at least a reverse hollow rare or a hollow or something like this. So yeah, or this or this or this or this or that. So, but all right, like, comment, subscribe, or don't. I'm just kidding. Y'all have a good day. Later.